Does the future of business lie in the silicon hands of artificial intelligence? This question is no longer a mere intellectual musing, but a tangible reality that's transforming the business landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been steadily infiltrating various industries, revolutionizing processes and enabling unprecedented levels of efficiency. We're not just talking about a distant sci-fi future, we're talking about the here and now. Today, AI is not just a tool but a game changer, a catalyst for innovation, and a key driver in the future of business. From retail to banking, healthcare to manufacturing, AI's influence is far-reaching. In the retail sector, AI is being used to offer better product recommendations, predict inventory needs, and even create cashierless stores. It's reshaping the shopping experience, making it more personalized, efficient, and convenient. In banking, AI is being employed for fraud detection, offering personalized deals, and enabling chatbot banking. AI is helping banks to offer more secure and tailored services, transforming the way we bank. Healthcare, too, is feeling the impact of AI. From diagnosis to robotic surgery, even virtual nursing assistants, AI is revolutionizing the way we deliver and receive healthcare services. The manufacturing sector is also not left untouched. With automation powered by AI, there's enhanced quality control and predictive maintenance, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. And let's not forget marketing. AI-driven ad targeting, content creation, and campaign optimization are making marketing more effective and targeted. In recruitment, AI algorithms are being used to source, screen, and assess candidates at scale, making the hiring process more streamlined and efficient. Even in customer service, chatbots and voice assistants are streamlining support interactions, making it easier for businesses to engage with their customers. And then there's analytics. AI is finding unseen patterns in data, providing powerful business insights that can drive decision-making and strategy. And of course, there's the world of autonomous vehicles, where AI is enabling self-driving cars and trucks, transforming the way we think about transportation. So, how exactly is AI making waves in different sectors? Let's dive in. Imagine walking into a store that knows exactly what you want. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing retail, making this futuristic scenario a reality today. AI is learning about our preferences, habits, and needs, paving the way for highly personalized product recommendations. So, those shoes you've been eyeing, they might just pop up as a suggestion next time you're shopping. But AI's role in retail doesn't stop at suggestions. It's also transforming inventory management with predictive algorithms. These digital crystal balls help retailers anticipate customer demand, reducing overstock and avoiding empty shelves. Now let's talk about the shopping experience itself. Imagine strolling through aisles, picking what you need, and just walking out. No queues, no cashiers. AI-powered cashierless stores are making this possible, employing advanced computer vision and sensor fusion technologies to track what shoppers pick up and charge them accordingly. The future of shopping is not just online, it's AI-driven. AI is reshaping retail, creating a seamless, personalized, and efficient shopping experience. Banking is no longer just about saving money, it's about saving time and enhancing security. Artificial intelligence has been instrumental in transforming this industry. One of the most significant applications of AI in banking is in fraud detection. By using patterns and anomalies, AI can alert both banks and customers to suspicious activities almost immediately. This reduces the risk of fraudulent transactions and provides customers with peace of mind. In addition to security, AI has made banking more personal. Banks can now offer personalized deals based on the financial habits and preferences of individual customers. This not only increases customer satisfaction, but also boosts customer loyalty. Chatbot banking is another innovation that has revolutionized the banking experience. With AI-powered chatbots, customers can perform banking tasks, ask questions, or report issues anytime, anywhere. These chatbots are designed to understand and respond to customer queries effectively, making banking more convenient than ever. With AI, banking becomes more secure, personal, and convenient. Healthcare is not just about treating diseases, it's about predicting and preventing them. Intelligent machines are revolutionizing this field, bringing a paradigm shift in how we approach health and wellness. Let's talk about diagnosis first. AI algorithms, trained on vast medical data, can now identify patterns that might be missed by the human eye. These algorithms are assisting physicians in detecting diseases like cancer at earlier stages, improving the chances of successful treatment. Next, we have robotic surgery. Precision is paramount in surgery, and AI-powered robots are bringing unprecedented accuracy to the table. They can perform delicate procedures with minimal invasiveness, reducing recovery times. Finally, let's discuss virtual nursing assistants. These AI-powered assistants are available round the clock, monitoring patient conditions, reminding them to take medications, and even chatting to alleviate loneliness. So, you see, AI is not replacing doctors, it's empowering them. By handling routine tasks and providing valuable insights, AI allows healthcare professionals to focus on what they do best, caring for patients. In manufacturing and marketing, AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. Let's start with manufacturing. Imagine a world where factories are smarter, safer, and more sustainable. That's what AI is bringing to the table. Automation has long been a mainstay in factories, but with AI, we're taking it to an entirely new level. Quality control, for instance, is undergoing a major transformation. Instead of relying solely on human inspection, AI-powered robots are now able to spot defects and irregularities with unprecedented accuracy, reducing waste and improving overall product quality. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also making waves in predictive maintenance. Traditional maintenance schedules are based on estimated equipment lifespans, but AI goes a step further. By analyzing data from sensors embedded in machinery, AI can predict when a piece of equipment is likely to fail. This allows for timely repairs, preventing costly downtime and extending the life of the equipment. Moving on to marketing, AI is proving to be an invaluable ally. Ad targeting, for instance, has been transformed. With AI, marketers can analyze vast amounts of consumer data to create highly personalized ad campaigns. This means that the ads you see are more likely to be relevant to your interests, improving your shopping experience while boosting sales for businesses. AI is also shaking up content creation. Using natural language processing and machine learning, AI can now generate compelling content, from blog posts to social media updates. This not only streamlines the content creation process but also ensures a consistent brand voice across all platforms. Finally, let's talk about campaign optimization. AI can analyze the performance of marketing campaigns in real time, identifying what's working and what's not. This allows marketers to tweak their strategies on the fly, ensuring optimal results. AI is revolutionizing production lines and marketing strategies alike. So, whether you're a factory manager looking to improve efficiency or a marketer aiming to connect with customers on a deeper level, AI holds the key to unlocking your next level of success. Recruiting and customer service are no longer just about human touch, they're about efficiency and scale. Let's dive into how artificial intelligence is reshaping these fields. In the world of recruiting, AI algorithms are changing the game. It's not just about reading resumes anymore. These smart algorithms can source, screen, and assess candidates at a scale that's simply impossible for human recruiters. They can analyze vast amounts of data to find the perfect fit for any job in a fraction of the time. Switching gears to customer service, chatbots and voice assistants are making a significant impact. No longer do customers have to wait on hold or navigate through complex phone menus. These AI-powered tools can handle most queries instantly at any time of the day, providing a smoother, more efficient customer experience. In essence, AI is making hiring smarter and customer service smoother. It's a remarkable time to be in business, and the future holds even more promise. So, what's next for AI in business? Well, let's take a moment to recap. Across industries, artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize business as we know it. From retail to banking, healthcare to manufacturing, AI is reshaping processes, driving efficiencies, and creating new opportunities. Imagine a retail world where AI-powered recommendations are so personalized that customers feel understood and valued. Picture predictive inventory systems that anticipate demand before it happens, making overstock and shortages a thing of the past. Visualize banking where AI is the new watchdog, sniffing out fraud before it strikes and offering personalized deals tailored to individual financial profiles. Envisage a future where chatbots handle banking interactions, making them quicker, smoother, and more convenient. In healthcare, AI is set to transform patient care with diagnosis, robotic surgery, and virtual nursing assistants. This means faster, more accurate diagnoses, precise surgeries, and round-the-clock support for patients. In manufacturing, AI-driven automation will enhance quality control and predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and waste. Meanwhile, in marketing, AI will drive ad targeting, content creation, and campaign optimization, leading to more engaging and effective campaigns. Recruiting will see the power of AI algorithms sourcing, screening, and assessing candidates at scale, making the hiring process more efficient and accurate. And in customer service, chatbots and voice assistants will streamline support interactions, making them faster and more personalized. Beyond these, AI will unlock powerful business insights, finding unseen patterns in data and driving informed decision-making. And let's not forget, AI is enabling self-driving cars and trucks, transforming transportation and logistics. Looking ahead, we can expect AI assistants, computer vision, and language processing to unlock even more efficiency and innovation. AI assistants will become smarter, more intuitive, and more integrated into our daily lives. Computer vision will open up new possibilities in fields like security, retail, and healthcare. And advancements in language processing will make machines understand and respond to human language more naturally and accurately. But to leverage these benefits, businesses must embrace AI technology. Those who do will gain a competitive edge, while those who don't may find themselves left behind. In the world of business, the future is not just digital, it's intelligent, it's AI.